Step inside this modern BMW Motorrad showroom and discover the bold new 2026 BMW R18 Scrambler, a machine that effortlessly blends heritage with modern engineering to create something truly special for the new model year. At first glance, the matte, dark green fuel tank, stamped with the unmistakable white BMW roundel, announces its Scrambler intent with confidence. Dominating the visual drama is the legendary 1,802cc air-oil-cooled boxer twin engine, now refined for 2026, yet retaining its authentic, raw character. Complete with brushed aluminum cylinder heads and exposed cooling fins that glint under the soft glow of showroom spotlights. High-mounted dual exhaust pipes sweep elegantly along the side, hinting at off-road capability, while rugged, knobby dual sport tires on black wire-spoke wheels complete the aggressive stance. From the front, a large round LED headlight with a crisp halo ring creates a timeless face, complemented by wide, upright Scrambler handlebars fitted with bar-end mirrors for an assertive, comfortable riding position. Move to the rear three-quarter view and the minimalist brown leather seat. Compact round LED taillight, softly illuminated, and upward sweeping exhausts reveal the bike's Scrambler DNA in full force. Closer still, the classic round analog speedometer, with white numerals and subtle BMW logo, delivers a nod to vintage styling, paired seamlessly with a discreet digital display for modern convenience. The showroom's polished concrete floor mirrors the bike's sculpted silhouette, while large floor-to-ceiling windows bathe the scene in natural light, highlighting every curve, mechanical detail, and chrome accent with crisp reflections. Up close, the boxer engine's intricate machining and exposed pipes speak to BMW's commitment to craftsmanship, while features like selectable ride modes, lean-sensitive apps, and traction control quietly reassure riders of the technology packed beneath the vintage-inspired exterior. This 2026 model brings subtle but meaningful updates in finish, ergonomics, and electronic refinement, all while staying true to the R18 family's legacy of raw torque and presence. Every angle celebrates the fusion of cruiser elegance and Scrambler grit, resulting in a motorcycle ready to shine in the showroom, yet rugged enough to get dirty on weekend trails. More than just a motorcycle, the 2026 BMW R18 Scrambler stands as a rolling tribute to heritage reimagined for today's riders, capturing attention not only for its mechanical beauty, but also for the promise of unforgettable rides just waiting beyond the polished concrete walls.